guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do super exciting stuff. What are we going to do? We are going to do a first impressions of this Makeup Obsession Dream with a Vision palette. And we're going to do a first impressions of this Obsession Pigment Boost Fix Spray. Whew. You excited? I'm excited. So let's go straight to the video. And now for the fun part of this video, testing out this palette. Oh my gosh, when I saw this in Boots, I was like, yes, those colors, those are me. Right, so there's 16 colors in here. Look at those. Excitement. And this comes with a mirror. Yes, no need to hold an extra one. So the look that I'm going for today is a vibrant purple and a pastel yellow. So I'm going to use Daydream, Bubble, Aspiration, and Sunshine. So I'm going to use Cloud for my inner corners and to highlight my nose and my Cupid's bow. Also, I will be reviewing this Pigment Boost Fix Spray. Oof, look at that. Pretty. So guys, this is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I hope that it was helpful, or I showed you how you can play around with these colors in this amazing palette. The only downfall I would say is the yellow, the sunshine color. I just found it took ages for it to kind of start to show, but I guess it's because it's kind of like a pastel yellow, and I'm pretty sure if I did like a cut crease or went again with some concealer and then went on top with this color, then it would have held better because it would be a little bit sticky. But the purples, oh, I'm loving them, and also this cloud color, this like highlight is just so pigmented and it's amazing. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.